Assalamualaikum, Vanakkam, Ni Hao, and good morning to our respected judges, teachers, and fellow friends. Hi, my name is Lukman Rifki bin Muhammad Shafiq. Today, I stand before you with a heart full of pride to talk about why I am proud to be a Malaysian. Malaysia isn't just a country, it's a beautiful rainbow of cultures, traditions, and people living together in harmony. We are a nation where the word unity isn't just a slogan, it's our way of life. Let me share with you what makes Malaysia so special. First, Malaysia is a land of many races, one family. Malays, Chinese, Indians, Kadazans, Ibans, and many other ethnic groups call this country home. Even though we speak different languages, wear different clothes, and follow different religions, we live together as one big family. And what connects us all? Our national language, Bahasa Melayu. Whether we speak Tamil at home, Mandarin with our grandparents, or English with our friends. Bahasa Melayu unites us in schools, songs, and in everyday conversations. It's a language of unity, and it reminds us that we all belong. Have you ever seen a Malay friend inviting their Chinese neighbor to a Hari Raya open house, or an Indian family sharing Morocco with their Malay friends during Deepavali? That's Malaysia. At school, we sit side by side, learn together, and play together. Our differences don't divide us, they make us stronger. Now, who here loves food? Of course, Malaysia is a food paradise. Imagine this: fluffy nasi lemak wrapped in banana leaves, spicy laksa that makes your taste buds dance, crispy roti canai dipped in dal, and sweet chendol to cool you down on a hot day. Our food tells the story of our unity. At a single hawker center, you can taste Malay satay, Chinese char kway teow, and Indian thosai all on one table. Our dishes are as diverse as our people, but when we share them, we create memories that last a lifetime. Malaysia's cultural tapestry is vibrant and alive, from the colorful baju kurung and cheongsam to the graceful Bharatanatyam dance and the thunderous kompang beats. Our traditions are a feast for the senses. And oh, our festivals. The sky lights up with fireworks during Chinese New Year, oil lamps glow brightly during Deepavali, and the call of takbir fills the air during Hari Raya. In Sabah and Sarawak, the Gawai and Keamatan harvest festivals showcase the heritage of our indigenous friends. No matter the occasion, we celebrate together because in Malaysia, every festival belongs to everyone. Malaysia is also a land of breathtaking beauty. Have you ever stood beneath the majestic Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur or explored the lush rainforest of Borneo, home to orang-utans and rafflesia flowers? We have the stunning beaches of Langkawi, the historic streets of Malacca where the Portuguese, Dutch and English influences blend, and the cold highlands of Cameron Highlands where tea plantations stretch like green carpets. Whether you love adventure, history or nature, Malaysia has it all. Friends, being Malaysian isn't just about where we're born, it's about carrying the spirit of harmony in our hearts. We are a nation that turns different into special and many into one. So the next time someone asks me where I'm from, I'll stand tall and say I am Malaysian. Because here, we don't just tolerate differences, we celebrate them. Together, we are stronger. Together, we shine. Thank you, and let's always be proud to be Malaysian.